Want to remove the background from an image, but Canva's asking you to pay? Here's how to do it completely free using this simple trick. Open Canva and upload the image you want to edit. Normally, background remover is a paid feature under Canva Pro. Now open a new tab and go to remove.bg. It's a free tool that removes backgrounds automatically in seconds. Upload your image, and it'll instantly generate a clean, transparent version. No sign-up needed. Click download, and the image will come with the background already removed in PNG format. After downloading from remove.bg, always check the image quality. The free version gives you medium resolution, which is perfect for most Canva designs like posts, thumbnails, or presentations. If you need higher quality, use free upscalers like let'senhance.io or iloveimg.com to sharpen your image before uploading to Canva. Now go back to Canva, upload your new PNG, and use it in any design. No pro plan required. You can also use remove.bg inside apps like CapCut, Figma, or PowerPoint. Like and follow for more smart workarounds that save your time and money.